Alright folks, welcome back. After the unboxing videos, it's time to put it all together, right? So I'm still kind of limited in what I can do without the CPU because I really want to put that on the motherboard pretty much before I do anything else, like install the motherboard, mess with the heatsink. A couple things, you might hear the NBA Cup on in the background. Big basketball fan, so just deal with that. And what was the second thing? Maybe I'll remember. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna use my external mic. I went back and watched the unboxing videos and I was satisfied enough with the audio quality. So yeah, not to mess with. Since I did it for the unboxing, I'm gonna still mix those. But what I'm going to try to do right now is install this hard drive. That's one thing I can do, at least put it on the mounting bracket. I hope you guys can see that. So looking at the book here, pretty much all the sides, the top, the bottom, both sides come off of this thing. So the way you get to this is through the non-glass side. So it looks like we're going to unscrew this screw up the top and it should just kind of pop on out. This is live, by the way. I haven't done this beforehand, so we're going to see how this works. There it is. Yeah, perfect. Okay, we got that looks like a fan. That's definitely a fan cable. Yeah, you know, the book says this thing has room for 5 SSDs, and I'm only counting 4. So that 2 can fit here, and then there's 2 right here. Man, I have no idea what you guys are looking at. So this is another SSD bracket, so this can come off. I already have taken that one off. I guess this is the main one that I'm using. And I'm trying to think, you know, it's weird. So the indentation of the screw holes here definitely suggests that the hard drive should be installed on this side, and I would have preferred it on this side because PSU is going to be right here. It's already got room for cables, as you can see. I would have just pulled those up and stuck them right here, but it looks like they want them to go inside. If you can see that, there's definitely room for cables there. So I guess I'm just going to, oh man, this is going to be kind of nasty. I guess it just goes like that. I don't know how there's going to be room to fit the power connectors and data in there. So am I doing something wrong? I feel like maybe I'm doing something wrong. Should it go this way? Maybe it should go that way. Maybe I should have figured these things out before I turn my camera on. But I think, let me look at this one. So do those go on the inside or the outside? I think maybe, yeah, they should probably go on the raised up areas. Does this, oh, maybe I can look at the picture and figure it out. Yeah, it's definitely an outside screw, so it's supposed to go on the inside for sure, based on number 4 down here. Yeah, I guess you can see that. I guess I'm gonna put it on the bottom. I don't know. Or, oh, you know what? It's probably supposed to go like that. And the cable's right in that way. That's how it's got to be. All right. All right. While I'm screwing screws, I'm gonna stop talking because I'm gonna speed that part up, and we'll figure out after that. So yeah, I think it's supposed to go. You can see connectors and data. Uh-oh. I think Anthony Davis just hit a buzzer beater. I guess I could look over there. All right. In fact, you know what? I'm just going to turn this camera off until I get this thing screwed in, and stay tuned. All right. As you can see, I've got the hard drive screwed in here. I think I've finally got this figured out. So this part, this pretty part is going to be what's facing the glass panel on the other side. And maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. The connectors, the data, and the power are out here, so this is going to sit like this. cables from the power supply are going to be routed out this way and up under, so to the hard drive, and if I had another one, I could do the same thing right there. So I think that cables to the hard drive are mostly going to be hidden. Let's go ahead and screw this bracket back in. So this fan cable is kind of hanging out. Don't really know what to do with that yet, so I'm just going to avoid that entirely. And this just goes in just like that. And catch. Yeah, there we go. I think that... Oh, that's a little tighter than I would have wanted. I think maybe that's crooked. Is that crooked? Let me try that again. Could just not quite be aligned. Yeah, I think that's just how it is. I don't want to torque it down too much, but all right, there you go. I hope you guys caught all that. Hard drive is installed. There's really not much I can do else, I don't think, without the motherboard. I could maybe put the PSU down here, but since it's modular, I want to connect all the cables I need beforehand, and I probably need to think about that for a minute, but yeah, I don't know. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this case. Maybe a little tight on space. I probably wish I'd got one just a teeny bit bigger, but so far I think everything's going to fit. So down here, these are old school 3.5-inch form factor hard drives, so I could probably take 2 of the hard drives from Box 1.0, put them in here, maybe have both machines. That would be pretty cool, actually. When was the last time y'all saw Windows XP, huh? This is a bracket for 2 more SSDs. The book says there's room for 5 SSDs, and I'm just not seeing it because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know where the 5th one is. Here somewhere? I'm not seeing it, but I don't know. I'm probably not going to use 4 of them to begin with anyway, so. All right, that's it for now. I'll definitely post another one when something cool happens. Till then, take care.